Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Larissa Elle and this is my channel Parker Kate. Now guys, I know my videos have been really boring and I'm trying really hard to change that. Anyways, I asked my family for some friends for some feedback. Why? If you guys thought I had no self-esteem before and I was boring, well just you wait. I have a list. Some of the feedback included, you are so boring. I would rather jump off Mount Everest and watch one of your makeup tutorials. You need a lot of more personality. Your ex-husband has way more personality in his right toe than you do. Your videos are just boring and they're not very entertaining. Sound more like you're talking to a camera than to your friends. Well, thank you family and friends for that lovely feedback. I hope you have fun jumping off Mount Everest. So to rectify that, I changed my background, did some adjustments with my lighting, and I hired a director. The same director who told me that he would rather jump off Mount Everest than watch one of my makeup tutorials. Guess you just spent an hour and a half watching me put on makeup. Yeah, that's you, director. Anyways, guys, let's get to it. Today's video is going to be about the new 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation from PUR Minerals and their new collection with Barbie. That's right. PUR and Barbie have teamed up to launch their limited edition collection because Barbie is turning 60. And what better way to celebrate turning 60 when you're Barbie is, of course, come out with a makeup collection. You know, glitter, hot pink, sparkles, shimmer, it's all there. So guys, if you want to see how I created this look and my thoughts as a makeup artist on the collection and just as a consumer, please keep on watching. Hey guys, for foundation today, I'm going to be using the new updated version of PUR Minerals' famous 4-in-1 mineralized powder foundation. They actually took it and turned it into a liquid foundation. This is the 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation. The reason why I really like this product is because it's everything this one has, but it's in the form of a liquid. And they also come in 100 shades of foundation. Now, not only did they release a new foundation range, they also have a specially formulated brush that has a little silicone pad right in the middle so you can apply this foundation really easily. So I'm going to show you what it looks like in just a second. Now I'm going to take a couple pumps of the foundation and I'm just going to drop that right into the center of the brush. And we're going to apply this to the face now and see what it looks like. Hopefully it's a good color match. I don't know. So once the product is applied to the silicone pad, you're just going to use circular motions to distribute it onto your face. This is a little too yellow for me, but that's okay. We can make it work. Okay, so I'm just going to check to see what it looks like in my little mirror here. Wow, it actually did a pretty good job. I'm kind of really impressed with the coverage. Just a couple notes about this foundation. If you have any dry patches or textured skin, this definitely would be something to consider because the foundation dries down so fast. It's probably more suited towards combination to oily skin tones, so just keep that in mind if you're going to be trying out this foundation. The coverage is really amazing. It does look like skin. Alright, next guys, I'm going to go in with concealer. For concealer, I'm actually going to go in with the same foundation because this is doubling as a concealer. So what happens is you just screw off the top and it has a nice little doe foot applicator right there, and just apply this to all the spots that you normally apply your concealer to. So now I'm just going to go and do a couple dots under my eyes. Now remember, you don't need a lot of this because it is so full coverage. So I'm just going to go over any little spots. And I'm also going to put it on top of my eyelids just to double as a eyelid primer. And to buff that out, I'm going to be using my fingers because I have no idea where my beauty blenders are. Actually, the truth is none of them are clean, so fingers it is. Now I'm going to go in and set my concealer and my foundation, and for that I'm going to be using the IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Translucent Powder. Alright guys, now let's actually get into the meat and potatoes of why you're watching this video. This is the PUR Minerals and Barbie collection. And what better way for Barbie to celebrate turning 60 than coming up with her own collection with PUR Minerals. So right here I have the eyeshadow palette. I also have the highlighter. I have the lip gloss here. And one of the 4 lipsticks. Now this collection also came with fake eyelashes and a brush. Alright guys, so this is the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to insert a little bit of a better clip over here, but right now these are all of the colors. It comes with some mattes, some shimmers, and some glitter. The glitter, I was in it earlier, it's so amazing. So I'm just going to create a really simple eyeshadow look showing you. So to start off with, I'm going to be taking this PUR Minerals. This is a crease brush, and I'm just going to be starting with this transition shade right here. I'm going to be creating a very Barbie-esque makeup look today. That kind of transition light brown color, you're just going to be placing that into the crease and swiping back and forth. And basically what a transition color does is it just makes the other colors that you're going to apply on top of it blend a little bit more easier. It's going to apply the same to the other eye. I'm going to be going in with this Morphe blending brush, and I'm just going to be digging into this hot pink right color right here. This is a little awkward, sorry guys, all the light. And I'm just going to be taking that color and stippling it onto the actual eyelid. So since this is Barbie's 60th, I'm definitely going to go with a lot of vibrant colors here, but there are definitely some neutrals that you can make for a more muted palette if that's definitely your cup of tea. So once I've applied that into my mobile eyelid, I'm just going to be blending it up into the crease, and I'm going to be taking the same pink and applying it to the other eyelid. Again, you're just laying that color down and then blending it up into the crease. Next, I'm going in with this really pretty shimmery pink color, and for that I'm just going to be using my finger. So just swirl your finger around in it, and kind of using stippling motions, I'm just going to be applying that to the eyelid. This is a really pretty kind of metallic pink, and what it does is it just kind of boosts up the color of the base that we applied. And I'm just going to be doing the same thing to the other eye. Now I'm going to go in with a really fine crease brush, and I'm going to be digging into this kind of shimmery color here, this purple. And I'm going to be applying this into the outer V of the eye. So what I'm going to be doing is starting in the outer corner and kind of dragging it down over the eyelid. And then up into the crease. Just to give this look a little bit more dimension and some depth. And this same brush, and I'm going to be digging into the darker purple right beside it. And what I'm going to do is just go in and kind of intensify and smoke out the crease area just a little bit more. Alright, so now I'm going to go into the lower lash line. For that, I'm going to be going in with the dark purple first, and I'm using a smudger brush. So what you're going to do is just kind of start on the outside of the eye and then work your way in. And the reason why I'm starting off with the darkest color is going to be taking that light purple color and applying it on top after. Okay guys, so off camera I applied my fake eyelashes and my eyeliner, and next I'm going to be going in with some highlighter. This is the Barbie highlighter. That comes with 3 separate colors, the gold, the rose gold, and a pink base silver. What you can do is you can apply each of these separately, or you can do what I'm going to do today and mix them all together for your own unique glow. Highlighter brush here, and I'm going to kind of mix all 3 shades together. Woo, it's a little bit powdery. And I'm just going to be applying this to the high points of my face. It is a really pretty glow, kind of down the center of my nose because this foundation is really matte, and then just above my lips. You know what, let's just go a little crazy. Now to kick up the highlighter a bit, I'm going to be applying some blush, and what's better than the pink one by Milani. This is the 05 Luminoso blush. It is a very pretty kind of corally pink with some gold flecks in it. Definitely a color Barbie would wear. So I'm just going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks, and for that I'm just using this Morphe M435 blush brush. I've had this for a really long time. Alright, up next for lips, we're going to go in with this lipstick. This is the lipstick in Classic, and the reason why this lipstick is so cool is because it looks like a glitter lipstick, but none of the glitter gets on your lips. It's a matte lipstick, which is a really cool formulation, and I think everyone's kind of doing one of these. So I'm just going to be applying this to my lips, and then on top of that I'm going to go in with this gloss. This is a very light pink gloss with a little bit of shimmer, very finely milled shimmer, none of that big chunky stuff that's going to stick on your lips. Now the only thing about this gloss is the applicator is a little bit chunky and big. So it kind of makes it a little bit uncomfortable to apply to your lips. Other than that, it's a really nice gloss. It's not sticky or goopy, which is what my preference is when I apply lip gloss. But you know what, guys? I feel like something is just missing. Barbie was all about glitter, and there's a really nice glitter shadow in that eyeshadow palette, and I think I just kind of need to add a little bit more sparkle. Now I'm going in with the glitter, guys, because Barbie loves her glitter. So I'm just going to be taking my finger, swirling that around. You don't actually need glitter glue for this, which is really great because the staying power is really pretty. And I'm just going to kind of just tap that over the entire eyelid and the lash line. And it just gives it that nice kind of pop. You don't have to do this. This part is obviously optional, but it's Barbie and Barbie needs her glitter. Alright guys, so I'll be right back with my final thoughts on this collection. Okay, so my favorite part of this collection definitely was the Pure Minerals and Barbie eyeshadow palette. The shimmers in here are amazing, as well as the glitters, the metallics, and the mattes. All these colors are really pigmented, they're really blendable, and they don't agitate my eye. And the reason why I'm saying this is because I have really sensitive eyes, and so far it's not leaking, which is a pretty good sign. And my second favorite part of this collection was the lipstick. This is again the Lipstick in Classic, and the reason why I think it's so cool is because it has glitter, but none of the glitter actually transfers onto your lips because it is actually a matte lipstick. I think the color of it's really nice. The creaminess and the pigmentation makes it really smooth and comfortable to wear. Now, my least favorite two items in this collection were the highlighter and the lip gloss. The reason why the highlighter didn't really do it for me is because I've seen this kind of thing before, and I wish that they did each individual shade in here in their own different pans. That way you could have more of the product instead of just mixing all three together, because it's just kind of a basic highlight at the end of the day. There really wasn't anything stand out about it. And the lip gloss. And the reason why the lip gloss wasn't really doing it for me is because you see all of these beautiful kind of like shimmery colors in it, and then when you put it on, you don't kind of get that payoff that you're looking for. I just wish it was a little bit more glossy and a little bit more sparkly, to be honest. And then to wrap up, of course, if you don't want to get this collection for the makeup, but you want to get it because it's Barbie and it's collector, the packaging is out of this world. They did a fantastic job on this beautiful rose gold glitter and then these pinks mixed in. It's definitely something that you want to hold on to for a long time, even after the makeup's expired, but don't use it after the makeup's expired. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for tuning into my channel. I hope you really liked this little kind of mini eyeshadow tutorial and mini review on the 4-in-1 Selfie Foundation and the limited edition Pure and Barbie collection. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for much more. And also, please leave me a comment and let me know which of the products that you want to try. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Why was that so hard?